Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video, first of all, you have need to watch the percentage profitable 91.67%. Today, yesterday, the percentage in the BTC USD winning percentage was around 80%, but in today, the winning percentage is 91.67 percentage. Okay, it's actually a very good profitable strategy. I'm using algo. At the end of the video I will tell you how you can add this indicator in your trading view chart, because these indicators are not available in trading view. So I will give you all the data and will show you the results in all pairs. Like I will mostly demanded Indian people for the Nasdaq. I will show you the results in Nasdaq, SPY, um, gold, each and everything I will show you. Just watch the complete video and do not miss any point. Okay, first here you can see the winning percentage was 91.67 percentage, and you have need to watch it how this strategy work. Let me show you this strategy and then we will move further. Okay, here it will automatically will give you. Let's hide this one, and then only will dependable on this indicator. Let me show you. Go to the setting. Okay, and here the strategy, if you want you can select. Okay, uh, each and everything is available here and you can choose it, and that's it, I think. But here lot of pairs are available actually. Okay, it's not necessary, you can use any pair. Okay, it is not necessary, you can use every pair. Okay, I'm using BTC, so let's select the BTC and you can use it. Okay, here you can see we got the sell position here. Here you can see this was our buy entry, and after that this was your take profit 1, then take profit 2, then take profit 3, and here your take profit 4. All the take profit 4 is done, and you can go for another trades. But how you can go for the trades, for more trades, let me show you. Here you can see there are some trend line here. Okay, if the trend line is red, you can go for the sell trade. Okay, here you can, let me show you. Wait, here this one is the indicator I'm using here. You can combine this indicator and get more accuracy. Just like this one, here you can see the trend line is red, you can go for the sell trade and you have to book another profit here. And if the trend line is green, you can go for the buy trade. Okay, you can see you got the buy trade and profitable. Okay, and trend line down, so you can see the candles are going downside from the trend line, so you have to follow sell signals. When here you can go for the sell trade. Okay, and from this point, this trend line is green, you have to follow buy signal. Okay, you can see buy signals and all the buy signals are profitable. Here you got the buy signal and your take profit 1 is done. Okay, and now the trend line is green, you can go for another buy trade from this point. Okay, and you can book your profit here. You can see you're getting another signals here, you can see. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see you got the buy signal, trend line is green, you can go for the buy trade. Okay, and you can go got another profit, and you can see you're getting another profit. Okay, and now the trend line is red, you can go for the sell trade if you need. Okay, but from our strategy, algo strategy, you can see you can book your second take profit, and here your maximum take profit is done. Okay, and this was the most recent trade here, because the trend line is green, so you can go for the buy trade, and now you can see and you are in good profit here. Okay, you are almost touching to the take profit. Okay, here you can see. So this is the most accurate accuracy, and you will get 95% accuracy if you follow this strategy that I am telling you. Okay, just follow the trend lines and that's it. Okay, and if you are following if you want to follow only algo, this one algo, okay, this if you want to follow this only algo, simple hoga algo updated version. This one is the updated version. In the previous version there were some issues, so I update this version, and so now it's work perfectly and giving you accurate entries. Okay. Now here you can see trend line is green, so you can follow the buy signal. You can see follow the buy signal, and you can see all the buy signals are so much profitable. Okay, and let me show you some of the results here. Okay, I think I gave you the details in the like this one. You can see uh, trend line is green, you can follow buy signal. Okay, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, and you can see take profit 4 is almost done in this strategy, in this trade. Okay, your all take profit is done here in this strategy. Let's see how much profitable take profit we have done. Let's see, we got the buy. You can follow this buy signal. Okay, you can follow this buy signal, and this is the, and this is also a buy signal, you can see. Okay, because the trend line is green. Okay, I am talking about this one. Okay, this one by okay, here you can see. Okay, and if this trend line is great, you have to follow sell signal. But here you can see this was the buy signal here. Okay, and your take profit 1 and take profit 2 is done. Okay, but according to the strategy, you can see the trend line is green, so you have to follow buy signal, this one. But in this strategy, your two take profit is done, but you can see this was our stop loss, and it's showing that your stop loss is hit here. Okay, but we have done to take profit, so it's not a do not worry, just you have need to take profit 1 and take profit 2 is done, that's okay. Now after that you have need to take profit 1, or you have need to do take profit 2, that's it. But okay, and after that you have need to exit your trade and then follow this strategy. If the trend line is green, you can follow buy signal, and you can see it's so much profitable. Okay, and you can follow this buy signal, and you can see it's so much profitable trade signal. Okay, the buy signal, and you can see you got some amazing profit here again, and you can see buy signal, and you are getting another profitable strategy. You can see buy signal again, and you can see you got another profit here. Okay, this is the strategy in the bank nifty. Let's BTC. Let's move to the some other pairs like Nasdaq. I will show you the results in bank nifty as well. So first move to the UK oil. Okay, and first move to the Nasdaq 100 index, then we will move further. Okay, first we have need to show you the results in Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, now it's done. Okay, here you can see the strategy. Here you got the buy signal, and first strategy tester go to the it's not showing here. What is the issue in the Nasdaq 100 index? Let's okay, got it. The issue was, let me show you what was the issue. First we have need to move to the bank nifty, then I will show you the results. The issue was, let me show you. Here you can see the percentage profitable is 83%. Okay, 83% profitable strategy in the bank nifty. Okay, and here you can see, let me show you. Here you can see this is the all pairs. Here all pairs are available here, you can see. Okay, but it's not necessary. If you do not want to select, that's okay. Okay, but here you can see the percentage profitable, and what if we have need to watch more. Here you can see, here you got the buy signal. Okay, after getting buy signal you got another buy signal, so this is another buy signal. You can say if you go to the buy signal, buy trade, you have need to go for another buy trades, and all the buy trades profitable. Okay, and here you can see it's showing that stop loss hit, but our take profit is almost done. Here you can see our take profit is done, so we have do not need to worry. So after that, after take profit one, you just I say you I told you, you have need to book your profit and then follow my strategy. Okay, like this one. The candles are below, that's okay. After that candle comes upside, and this one trend line is going to the blue, sorry, green, so you have to follow again by signal, and you can see you got amazing profit. This was the results in bank nifty. Okay, and here you can see, let me show previous results here. Okay, this is the maximum profit here. Your take profit 4 is almost done here. Okay, you can go for another sell entry, and you got another profit here, and amazing one. Okay, here you can see the trend line is green, you have to follow buy signal, and you can see you got amazing profit again. Okay, just need to follow this strategy, and amazing profit you will get all the time. Okay, here your take profit 3 is done. Here you can see you got the buy signal. After that your take profit 4 is done, and after take profit 4 is done, and after that your stop loss is hit, but we have do not need to worry. Just go to follow only buy signal, and you got the profit. Now here the trend line is red, so you follow this red signal, and now trend line is changing one, so you have to exit your trade, or you can book your profit here. Now the trend line is red, so you have to follow sell signal, and you got amazing profit all the time. You can see all the take profit 4 is done. Here you can see you got getting the maximum profit here, and here this is your sell trade. Okay, and here you can see, let me show you, here take profit and short trade, and you are getting maximum profit here. Okay, and so on. Okay, it's so much profitable strategy, and you will get consistent profit all the time. Okay, I show you the results in bank nifty. Let's move further, and let's see the results in gold. In the gold you can see your take profit 2 is done here. After that you got another sell signal and another profit here. Okay, you can see got the buy signal. Your take profit 2 and 3 is done here. After that another buy signal, you got another buy trade, and you can see now you are some amazing profit here. You are getting some amazing profit. Okay, and like this one trend line is green one, so you can follow the buy signal. Okay, here now this one, if you talk about this one, you can see this was the buy trade, and unfortunately your take profit 1 is not done. Okay, you can say your stop loss is hit here. You can see your stop loss is hit here, so do not worry, just need to follow the instruction like this. Buy signal profitable. Okay, after that you got the sell signal, your take profit 3 is done here. Okay, and in the previous one, let me show you the strategy tester. Profitable strategy is 76%, and if we select the pair like gold, where is gold? Okay, let's see the result, you will see. Okay, here 79.41. okay, the results has now changed. Okay, now you will see the results. You can see accuracy is awesome. You have need to watch the accuracy. Your take profit 4 is done here, and still going profitable strategy. You can see downside, Here you can see, let me show you clearly. Trend line is red, so follow sell signal, profitable. Okay, green, after that candle is down, so do not need to follow buy signal, we have need to follow sell signal. And this one you can see trend line is green, so you have to follow buy signal, profitable. Okay, now still green, you have to follow buy signal and profitable. And here trend line is green, follow buy signal and profitable, buy signal, profitable, and so much. Okay, all the time you are getting consistent profit. Okay, all the time. This is so much profitable strategy, and hope you will love it. And let me show you results in euro USD, and then we have need to end this video, and I have need to tell you how you can add the script in your trading view. Okay, and okay, let's first go to the strategy tester. The percentage is 81.25. If you go to the setting, and here if you need to select euro USD, then the percentage will be changed here, hopefully. Okay, 73%. Oh, previous one was better, but this one is also a better, not a bad one. If you use 15-minute time frame. Okay, it's loading here. So the last thing, how you can add the indicator and how you can get the indicator, how you can add the indicator and how you can get the indicators. Okay, so if you need my indicators, you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is the algo. It's not an indicator, this one is the algo and most accurate. So if you need, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Symbol hoga one, write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channel. You do not need to join fake Telegram channel. This is Gmail, simple hoga at gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. And the last question, how you can add the indicator. So let's go to the here. I have need to move. These are my point script here. Okay, and just go to the new folder. These are my point script. This is the most updated version. Just open it, and this is in the word file. Okay, and you will get, okay, control A, control C, copy the code. Okay, copy the code, then go to the point editor. Here you will find option point editor, and first you have need to close, remove them, and still loading. Okay, okay, still loading. Okay, now you have need to select all and remove the code. There will be no code. Okay, now you can see there is no code. Now you have need to paste my code. Okay, and then click on add to chart. Your indicator will be display here, just like I show you, and hopefully you will love it, enjoy it, and must like my video and must subscribe my channel. Okay, it's loading here, and after that I have need to end the video. Just waiting. Okay, you will it will say to add the enter the code, but you have need to default setting. You do not need to change anything. Just click on apply. Okay, and you can see 79.157%. That's actually good. Okay, I think I give you the all detail. If you still have any question, you can ask me for, and you can contact me, or you can ask me if you have any further query. Okay, I show you the contact details, and hopefully you will love the video. For the next video, I think bye bye, take care, and that's it, I think.